This is the bike I was riding last time, Honda CR450F. I'm pretty sure it's a 2017, I think. This is a 2003 Honda XR80. This is what I will be riding. I'm a bit big for it. That bike's a little bit too heavy for me to go down and just climb around in the trails down there. This is an old one, so I gotta kickstart it. Now this bike, I removed the baffle on the exhaust pipe, so it's just a tinge louder than the other one. So you might not be able to hear me as well. It's my last FPV video. Oh my goodness, it's all gonna be ruined in here. My goodness, it's slippery. Oh my goodness. Dude, it's so slippery. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think I might have been a little too dramatic there. I haven't done this trail with you guys yet, so it'll be new for you. Alright, that was that trail. Got some little birds in here. Those birds love it in here. Oh my.